Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with two trades. Today's date is June the 24th and both of these trades were taken from high impact news, or at least strong news. It was the official bank rate for the British pound dollar. Now we can take a look at this news right here on Thursday, June the 24th at 7 a.m. It's the pound official bank rate, these two right here. Now I know this is medium impact, but I know that anytime you get a bank rate, the market will move. And we also have these three high impact news in red. So a combination of these three high impact and these two medium impact, the market I expect to move, and everything is even, like there's nothing here green or red, which means more flat. But anytime you see a official bank rate, expect the market to move, especially with the pound pairs. Now it's important that you take a look at the pound pairs and try to take the pairs that look the best and make sure that you drill down the lights. That's what I call it. You're going from the higher time frame because you want to make sure you're going in the direction of the trend. Now we're also, or I am, using the power trigger trading system. It's the one with the Williams percent range here and with the built-in alerts, as I previously shown you that in other videos. Now before I get into these two trades here, I'd like to inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time, and that includes all my trigger systems. It took me 8 years and over 700 trading systems to learn that. To get that up to 80 or 90% success rate, you'll have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, and a lot of education. I provide the education. You must buy this education and then do the homework, or you will fail at trading. I highly suggest putting in more than one trade, as no one knows which pair will move the greatest number of pips. That is why I place 3 or more trades at a time. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will encourage me to do more of these videos. If you leave your name and email address, I will put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now I only did 2 trades today. I know I said I try to do between 5 and 10, but in today's situation with high impact news, I took the 2 pound pairs that looked the best. I put everything in proper order and alignment. Drill down the lights, check the charts, make sure it's a great way to trade, and I took the trade 20 minutes approximately before the news coming out, and by 7:30 I was done. So definitely that was like about 45 minutes and I am finished for the day, and it's not even 8:30 in the morning as I am doing this video. So let's run a check on these 2 pairs. Pound New Zealand, drag and drop it up. Here we go. As I said, it's a perfect example of what a great way to trade chart setup or trade setup should look like. There's my stop right there. It's not that big of a stop. It's only, well, it's 20 pips. It's not that big, especially doing high impact news. And remember, I'm taking the trade before the news comes out. My power trigger system, matter of fact, all my trigger systems show prior to the news which way it's going to go. Here we go, took the trade, 20 pips stop, and I closed it out here. As I was looking down at the bottom, once I had a feeling I was around 100 pips, I basically closed out the trade and I am done trading for the day. It looks like I ended up with about, on this situation, 49 pips, and 49 pips on the pound New Zealand paid $3,457. Once you line everything up and you've got the going in the direction of the trend, everything is very, very clear at this point. Good to sell. Actually, you would get a signal back here. Right here is your signal to sell. So let's move on to the second trade I did. Here we go. Pound CAD. Drag and drop it up. Another one. Perfect. Matter of fact, when I took the trade, there was also a signal to sell. There's where I got in at this cursor. And my stop was 12 pips. Never hit it. And I closed it out at this point. Looks like with about 51 pips. And 51 pips on the pound CAD paid $4,066. Another perfect example of chart setup for a great way to trade. So that's the two trades I took. They looked the best. Could have done more pound pairs, but I knew I just wanted to get around 100 pips, and I am done trading, as I said earlier, for the day. And as you can clearly see, I could have got a bunch more pips, and I actually teach how you can stay in the trade for more pips. Let's see how many more that was. That was like another around 36 pips. And I do 2 videos on how to stay in a trade to capture more, to get more pips. So today was a great day of trading the news. I ended up getting exactly 100 pips, and those 100 pips paid $7,524. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my power trigger system, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write up. My power trigger system, I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. If you don't learn this, you'll never succeed at trading. Now my power trigger system comes with 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and these 9 bonus videos. This is what you're going to need, a lot of education to succeed at trading. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. I do teach a lot of ways to trade, and that's why I made 42 training videos. My number 1 way is a great way to trade, and both trades I traded today were perfect examples of a great way to trade. Now you can put the video on pause, read all the different ways that I teach on how to trade the markets. If you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, easy, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now I really do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link and we will have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing I will give you a free session, give you some tips and tricks. If nothing else, you should learn and get some more knowledge on how to trade the markets. And remember, I do that no obligation to you. Now if you click on this link right here, you'll see 32 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So that just about wraps up this video. And I'll repeat it one more time again. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade and trading day, good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.